Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, doing another video today. Today's video is my 72-hour later review or impressions with the Galaxy S10 Plus. Been using it, testing out the cameras, testing out the fingerprint scanner, testing some games on it. I still have to do a review on the gameplay. But in this video, I just want to go over what I like and what I dislike about the phone. Now, if you decide to pick up the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus, let me know in the comments on which one you got, the storage size, and also how you liking it so far. Do you love it? Do you have any complaints? Just let me know in the comments. Let's get a discussion going. Okay, like I normally do in my videos, I want to talk about the things I have concerns or some cons or some things I dislike about the phone. And then I will talk about the things I do like. Okay, like I normally do in my videos, I'm going to go over the things I don't like or have problems with. Then I'm going to discuss the things that I like about the phone. The first thing I want to discuss is the battery life. Yes, the phone is still learning my battery patterns, it says, but I've been averaging between, say, 6 to 6.5 hours of screen on time and about 15 to 16 hours off the phone. So let's look into it. Let's see what I'm getting right now. Battery. So right now, I'm at 4 hours and 40 minutes of screen on time with 11 hours off the charge. And I have about, 45%. So this is actually better than what I've been averaging on this charge, which is great. I guess it's learning me. Maybe it will keep on getting better and better as we go. I also know that you're going to say that, hey, Forbes, this is actually great battery life. You can't complain about it. But I just got used to the Yumi Digi F1 giving me over 30 hours off the charge and between 8 to 10. Also, I know what you're going to say is that the Yumi Digi only has a 1080p screen, while this has the 2K display, the 855 processor. It has all the bells and whistles. I understand that. Again, this is my concerns, my worries about the battery life. I want at least a day worth of battery on my $1,000 phone. That's me. If you think this is good battery life, that's up to you. Let me know in the comments what you think about the battery life so far. That way, we can definitely get a discussion going. But it looks like it's improving, so stay tuned to my final review. Maybe by my final review, it will be a pro, and I'm all happy about it, and it will learn my battery pattern. So we will see. Another concern I have about the phone is the Face Unlock or Face ID. I've been seeing YouTubers making videos on it. I've seen it on Twitter. I also read it that the Face ID can be fooled by a picture. I think Samsung knows that it wasn't the securest way of unlocking your phone. That's why you can't use it with Samsung Pay and other like banking apps, because they know that is not the securest thing on here. Now, yes, you're paying $1,000 for the phone. You want your phone secured. But the question is, how many people are going to be walking around with a picture of you trying to get into your phone? And if they are trying to get into your phone using a picture, should they be around you? That's the question you need to ask. The other concern people was having is about the fingerprint scanner. If you look at your top right and in the description, I will have a link to a video that I did for a few steps on updating your fingerprint scanner and making it work better for you. For example, bam, that is quick, it's accurate, I don't have barely any misses anymore, and it's fast. So follow that video in the description. It will help you out. It will make your fingerprint scanner a lot better than what it is. The next thing I have a concern about, which I can get past because I've been using LG phones for the last couple of years now, is the UI, the cartoonish looking icons. They don't affect me, but if you're looking at this to try to pick up the phone, what you think about these icons? Look at that camera app right here, and then also the contacts. It just looks cartoonish. It's not polished up. Doesn't look the way that you want it. Now, the great thing about Samsung, you can actually get some icon packs and then also theme this out, which you don't have to worry about the UI as much. But y'all let me know what y'all think about the UI in the comments. Like I said, let's get a discussion going. So those are the things that I have concerns about. I won't say they cons totally, but these are the things that, you know, kind of bother me. I want to keep my eye on for my full review. Now into the things that I want to discuss and that I really love about the phone. The 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED display is just gorgeous. Look at it. The colors are vibrant. It just looks great when you're looking at it no matter what. Yes, the cutouts up here can affect it. If you go into Google, yes, you can see it. Also, look in the description. I will have a video that I did to show you how to hide the cutout if you want to. Overall, this 6.4-inch display is just gorgeous. Samsung is always known for their displays. It's beautiful. It's been improving since like the Galaxy S8 Plus and S8, and this one is no different. The overall build quality of this phone is great. The sides are made of stainless steel with the glass back. On the sides, you have the volume rockers and also the Bixby button, which is great. On the right-hand side, you have the power button by itself. It is kind of high. This phone still has a headphone jack. It comes with the USB Type-C charger, and it has stereo speakers, which is a plus. That's the next thing I want to talk about. The speakers on here are amazing. The stereo speakers when you're watching Netflix, YouTube, or playing music on Google Play Music like I do, everything sounds great. I'm doing a speaker battle with my LG V40. Stay tuned for that video to come out. The next thing I want to talk about are the cameras. The 3 cameras on the back. The wide angle lens takes great pictures for me. The regular lens does too. The nice thing about it is also the low light pictures that you can take with this phone. Stay tuned. I'm working on a camera comparison and also a test with this phone. The next thing that a lot of people don't talk about on their reviews or even their impressions is like the call quality, texting. Using the phone as an everyday phone has been amazing. The connectivity that I get with LTE and my Wi-Fi are great. The bands are strong. The antenna wires on this phone gives me the strong signal that I want, especially in my room. When it comes down to call quality, you can't beat it. It sounds great. Even with the speakerphone, my kids can hear me when I'm driving, which I think is very important because I don't use Bluetooth when I'm driving, and it works great. And an overall experience with the phone, it runs great. The 8 gigs of RAM, the 128 gigs of storage. I have no slowdowns, no hiccups, nothing on this phone that I can complain about. The next thing I want to discuss is the price of the phone. The 128 gig model of this phone is $1,000. I won't go into is it worth it? Do you think it's worth it? I'm going to say that for my final review. Before you spend your money on the phone, do your homework. Check out other YouTubers. Check out my videos. Check out their videos. Make the decision if you want to spend that money on this phone. Just know that you're going to spend $1,000 on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Now let's wrap up this video. Overall, my experience with the phone has been really good. I'm enjoying the last 72 hours with it. Feels great in the hand. The speakers are good. The cameras are impressive as what I'm seeing so far. Battery life is okay, not the greatest to me. I expect more from the battery. The icons can be a little bit better, but overall, it's been a good experience. Stay tuned to the channel. I will have like a full review coming up. I have a bunch of videos already on this phone. Go check them out. I have a playlist on my channel. If there's any other videos that you want to see from me, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Hit that notification bell so that way you're notified when I drop a new video on the Galaxy S10 Plus. Also follow me on Twitter at Forest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day now.